Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone so diagnostics are meaningful. First, make sure you're on the latest iOS, install updates, then reboot. Software fixes can resolve many Face ID issues. Next, clear the true depth lens and remove any screen protector or case that blocks the sensors, since physical obstruction breaks recognition. Once done, open Settings Face ID and passcode and verify face data exists. If not, proceed to re-enroll Face ID, following the on-screen prompts. Now you perform the core reconfiguration steps that actually fix many failures. Reset Face ID and re-enroll your face, keeping the phone 10 to 20 inches away and rotating your head for full capture. Good lighting lets the sensors read depth correctly. If you wear glasses or frequently change looks, add an alternate appearance so the model recognizes more variations. Make sure no screen film, dirt, or moisture remains. If enrollment still fails, prepare for deeper software or hardware checks next. Finish by isolating software versus hardware causes. Back up your data, then perform a full restore through iTunes or Finder. If that does not help, attempt a DFU restore because it reloads firmware. Inspect the True Depth module for cracks or replace screens. Non-genuine repairs often break Face ID. If problems remain, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider. Quick troubleshooting tip. If Face ID suddenly stops after a drop, assume hardware fault and avoid DIY board-level fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.